Dear all, I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Basic Electrical Engineering. In this session, I'll be discussing what is three-phase circuits. Suppose a load require high power. At that time, you can't provide the supply by using single phase. So, such cases we can depend three phase. You may ask me that why can't you provide by using single phase? Yes, the answer is it is possible to provide the supply by using single phase, but it's not at all economical. That is why we'll be using three phase. So there are two type of three phase system: star connection, delta connection, all those things. Before moving on to the details, we'll discuss what do you mean by three phase circuit. The system which has three phases, okay, it will be having three phases in spite of one phase. The current will pass through the three wires and there will be one neutral wire for passing the fault current to the earth is known as three phase system. Actually, I told you about the star connection and delta connection. So star connection is called a three phase four wire system, but delta connection is called a three phase three wire system. The neutral is present only in star connection, but delta there is no neutral. I will tell you thereafter. But it's a combination of three single phase circuit, that is called a three phase circuit. Definition you can say like this: it's a combination of three single phase system, that is called a three phase circuit. The system which uses three wires for generation, transmission and distribution is known as three phase system. So that is actually the another definition of three phase system. The three phase system is also used as a single phase system if one of the phases and neutral wire is taken out. The thing is, you can able to generate single phase from a three phase supply. That is equal to the three single phase circuit can be derived from one three phase circuit. Or you can say that the combination of three single phase circuit is known as a three phase circuit. I think it is very clear. As you can able to see the diagram which shows the diagram which I am pointing out, that is a single phase system. It is having phase and neutral. But in case of three phase system, you can able to see R, Y, B and N. The first figure represents star connection and the second figure represents delta connection. In the first case, we are having line 1, line 2, line 3 and a neutral. But in the second case, you can able to see that only 3 lines. That I will discuss afterwards, star and delta. But basically you need to know that there are two combinations in case of three phase circuit. You can do it either star connection. You can refer the diagram which I am pointing out. Another one is called a delta connection. And the waveform also like this only, three phase waveform. You can able to see the waveform like R, red color, then Y, then blue color. So three waveforms you can able to see, all are 120 degree out of phase. Moving ahead, the sum of the line currents in three phase system is equal to 0 if the system is balanced and their phases are differentiated at an angle of 120 degree. So a system, it is applicable for balanced three phase system. So there are two type of system like a balanced system and unbalanced system. So whatever I am explaining is basically for balanced system. The three phase system has four wires, especially for star connection there are four wires, but if it is delta connection only three wires. The current carrying conductors and one through one act as a neutral. So single phase means only one type of connection. One is starting from phase and terminating to neutral. Return path will be flowing through neutral. But in case of three phase system, there are two type of combination. One is star connection, another is delta connection. In star connection there is a neutral point, where in case of delta connection there won't be any neutral point. That point you have to remember. In this session I have discussed what do you mean by three phase system, why three phase systems are required, and what are the types of three phase connection. In brief, detail I will be discussing afterwards. So these are the brief idea about the three phase connection. Now I am going to show you the references which I prepared the PPT. These are my references. You can go through for more details. In the coming session I am going to discuss the comparison of single phase system with the three phase system. So I would like to thank you for everyone for watching this video. Have a good day.